What is going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll drive through the suburbs on my way to your mama's crib. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, so this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 3rd fret to make it as easy as possible. I'm going to show you the easiest chords that you can play along with this song. If you need a free capo, check the video description. I've left a link there for you guys, as well as I have made an entire chord sheet for this as well. So if you want to take a look at that so you can see exactly where all the chord changes happen, jump into the video description. That will be there for you as well. This song is essentially 3 different parts. It's verse, chorus, and there's a bridge as well. We're going to start with the verse. Chords you need to know here are going to be G major, it's ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and your pinky finger on the high E on the 3rd fret. You'll also need E minor, which is 2nd fret A string with your middle finger, 2nd fret D string with your ring finger. And you'll need C major as well, that's ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. And throughout this entire song, you can essentially interchange this C with the C major 7, which all that is the C chord, and just take your pinky or your index finger off of the B string, so it sounds like. But for me, I'm going to be using the C major chord. Now the chord progression for the verse is going to be G, E minor, C, and G, and the strumming pattern is going to look like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So what's happening there is that last G is playing half as long as the rest of the chords. So again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And for the first verse, that entire thing plays through twice. So now we'll jump into the chorus. Your chords are going to be C, G, you will use E minor, then you're going to use D as well, which is index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. You're also going to use this chord that's called a C over B. It's going to be index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, pinky finger still on the 3rd fret of the high E. And the chord progression is going to be C, G, C, G, and then you're going to get a quick change between E minor, D, G, C over B, and then back to C. And so I'll show you what all that looks like, because those are all just single strums. So the beginning of the chorus looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. G is playing half as long as the C, and that plays twice. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 that quick switch. Single strum E minor, D, G, C over B, C, and then it ends on a single strum. Right here, you can still play a C if you want, but it sounds cool if you play this chord. It's called a C6. So keep your ring finger where it is, move your middle finger down to the 2nd fret of the G string, put your index finger where your middle finger was on the 2nd fret of the D, and then your ring finger still on the 3rd fret of the A. That's a C6. Strum that once. Then D. Strum once. And strum once G. So again, altogether that looks like. Now, last thing we need to cover is the bridge of the song. It's pretty simple. It's going to be that E minor, C, G, and D. And your strumming pattern is down, 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 up, go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.